I was asked to be involved in a potential public art project that was going to be spanning the entire state of North Dakota and focusing specifically on the individual regions within the state. And my background is in the arts. I've kind of gone to school everywhere, and I wanted to be able to lend my expertise and my passion to the project.
I believe Arts Across the Prairie gives my community a voice at the table. I believe that arts is a way to influence the world. We are a diverse state, and having all voices at the table is very important.
I think it's important for all the rural areas in Region 8 to have a voice and to get together because of that fact that they don't normally have a voice, and it helps. We're incorporating voices of local citizens, and then they can have a little piece of themselves in the art project and on the piece.
Initially, when asked to be a stakeholder, I really wasn't sure what it might encompass, other than maybe a few meetings and having some, conversations with people across our region, trying to get them on board with the project.
I wasn't expecting the level of support from so broad an area, not just where the sculpture will be located.
I'm just excited on the connections that it's brought, not only to me personally, but to Dickinson and Region 8. It's connected us more closely with the North Dakota Council of the Arts. It's connected us to Bismarck, to Fargo. It's closing the gap, and I'm so grateful for that.
When I came to Region 2, I was overwhelmed by the beauty of the vastness of it. There's something about looking into the horizon and seeing it endless and feeling like you can actually take the clouds and capture them and hold them in your hand.
Joining the initiative has given me an opportunity to broaden my horizons surrounding the arts and really understanding how meaningful it is in our worlds. I have met so many different people through this process that I might not have otherwise met, and it's been such a rewarding experience.
I feel it really is an honor to be a part of something like this.
It's a challenge that you like as artists, we don't strive to, impose something upon a community that they then live with and deal with and maintain. And I think this has been an ongoing goal for Arts Across the Prairie to initiate these requests from the community, continue to work with the community, and ultimately have the community make the selection of what they're going to build.
To be honest, I'm excited to come here and work. I love the landscape. I really like the people here. I've enjoyed everything about being here. Been a fantastic trip up here, and so I'm just excited to spend time here and make the piece, and also to get to explore the area a little more while I'm here.
I want them to be well loved and to be spaces where people gather and think about coming and think about being creative.
I am just grateful that I was able to be a part of it.
My hope for these projects is that in the end, they become spaces that celebrate the cultural heritage of North Dakota and increase awareness of these special rural places that exist all over our state.